Okay, go, go.
I put it in the wrong way.
Lock it, lock it, lock it.
What do you mean?
Push that. There you go. Look everywhere. There you go. Easy, slow it down, slow it down. Go the other way. Once you go through the door, don't go through.
Oh. What the heck? Oh, I already shot that one, I think.
Nope, that's the first time you shot him. You clear?
I think so.
That it?
No.